Hi everybody, it's Amelia here, and this is Nias. Nias is a little bit sick again, my love. We are in the yard this morning and watching the flowers, the birds. We're gonna groom, and thankfully it's a little bit cooler this morning, so it's wonderful. The heat wave's gone for now, and my roses perked back because they've been very affected from the heat. But I just want to show you guys how happy they are. And look how tall is this. I never had a rose so tall like you guys see here, like from down all the way up. That's really tall there. That's the tallest rose I ever have here, and I ever had actually. And all my cats, hi baby, they love to be in the yard. I took a lot of down because they were so wilty from the heat. They're bouncing back, pretty color. And I cannot tell you enough, guys, how much I love this perky color of dahlias. And here are more dahlias. Look this color. Beautiful. And this is a myrtle tree. They almost died last year, and I didn't thought it's gonna make it, but look at this, thankfully. Thank goodness it's doing so much better. That's so beautiful. And it was so tiny. Oh my gosh. And those dahlias. You guys stop it here. Leave the frog alone. They're chasing frogs and birds and everything. That's my morning in the yard for now. What do you guys think? Cats, flowers, frogs. Hi, baby. Hi. She's sick. I let her a bit out. What's there, mouse? Oh, Nix, what's the matter? Come on, baby. Did you see the little kitty there? She's a pistol. They love to hide under the hosta leaves. How do you guys like that? That's like second year. It's doing good. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. That's a happy corner now. Thank you guys. Oh, not to forget this beautiful soft blush color pink roses. Hi. Look at this one. Very beautiful. I like to talk with the flowers. Tell how beautiful they are. Bye guys.